Hello guys, welcome to my next presentation, and today I'm going to show you this nice question. So find the maximum value of function f of x is equal to sine x to the power of cosine x on the interval from 0 to pi half. Okay, so you may be thinking this has something to do with derivatives. It probably can be done that way, but today I will show you much simpler way to do that. Okay, so let's start. We can draw a trigonometric circle right here, and from 0 to pi square, to pi half, it's this interval right here, from this to this. Okay, and you can say that the values of both sine and cosine x here are from equal from 0 to 1. So we can say something like this: 0 is less or equal than sine x, and that is less or equal 1. Okay, and we can draw a random function, and sine x is right here. It's positive and greater or equal to 0, and in this case greater, of course. And this is cosine x, and of course it's from 0 to 1 also. So we can say something like this too: 0 less or equal than cosine x, and that is less or equal to 1. Okay, and I think this is clear, and we can move on. Let's write again this function. So f of x is equal to sine x to the power of cosine x. And since we already know this, we can say that this is less or equal than 1 to the power of cosine x. That is because sine x is always less than 1, and less or equal than 1, and we can say this easily. And what can we say about this right here? Well, that's just equal to 1. And yeah, we are almost there, and we can say right now that sine x to the power of cosine x is less or equal than 1. And why can we say that? Because we have it right here. It is less or equal than this, and this is equal to 1. So it's less or equal than 1. Okay, and since we are dealing with this interval right here, the maximum value of this function can never be greater than 1. Okay, and if we find some point of this function where it is equal to 1, our solution is that. So if we find some x so that this is equal to 1, that is the end of our question. And I think you already see where this is going. This value, we just need to find where sine x is equal to 1 in this interval, and that is, my friends, right here. It's x is equal to pi half. So we can say that sine x, or sine pi half, to the cosine of pi half is our solution. So x is equal to pi half. And I hope you understood what I was trying to say and explain, and hopefully I will see you next time, and enjoy!